Hey guys, this is Noy here with a 2011 550i X Drive. Car won't start. The customer think it is the starter. He put a new battery in right here. Battery reads good. Everything reads good. This fuse link right here reads good. But here's your problem. If you guys ever run into this problem, the car won't start, swap the battery. Now you're looking at that is a fuse link. If you see that open and it's not touching no more, that means the fuse links has popped. You would have to get a new power cable here that goes back there, and it goes for all the BMW series. BMW has put this as a safety switch for the car so that it doesn't blow the battery or anything like that. But as you can see, that is what's popped, so you will have to replace this piece. If not, you will have to take this cap apart and hammer that back in together. So give me a second, let me do that, and I'll show you how it's supposed to look like. Okay guys, after you hammer it in, see how it's supposed to be flat? Now that's touching again. Be careful, try not to mess up that little plug-in right there, because if you hammer it wrong, you can mess that up. Then you will have to buy a new power wire. So yep, that's how it looks like once it's fixed, and the car should start now without any problem. So this car was not the starter that was having the problem, it was this right here. So if you ever have run into this issue, check this out on your BMW. All right, thank you for watching.